Oh, actually, there's not even another Today Special for the rest of the year on that one. So, okay, first of all, I'm sitting at my table. I'm enjoying my little holiday festivity, and I am doing it with amazing, amazing light. Well, I hope you're ready. We have 4 Today Specials. I got the privilege of having one of the most amazing Today Specials of the entire day, brought to you with 117 years of history from Bell and Howell. Check this beautiful light out. Here we go. Okay, first and foremost, let me tell you what. I can't get over how fabulous these are, how #1 beautiful they are. And these are the Chelsea. This is actually the Chelsea Deluxe. And if you go, just to put it out there, you go to Bell & Howell website, one of the regular Chelsea, not the Deluxe, is $30. You today are looking at an almost $60 retail value, $57 retail. Today, we are offering you not 1, but 2. It is, and we've had many questions since we launched this. Are they coming back? Are there more? And you just saw over 15,000 already sold. This is it for the entire year. Are you ready? You're getting both of these absolutely gorgeous lamps, which have 3 different lights. You can adjust with your touch the brightness of all of the lights. You're getting 2 of them for $24.99, free shipping and handling, 5 FlexPay payments as well, which is absolutely insane. $5 on any credit card, debit card, PayPal. Look at the silver. I'm obsessed with the silver. I just redid one of my bedrooms in silver, and I just said to Chad, these would be perfect. So you have 2 of the silver. You can go for the beautiful plain white. We have 2 of the white, or we have 2 of the black. Let me tell you what's already happened. We've already sold out the gold. So the gold is already completely gone. USB-C charge, so there's no wires, no replaceable batteries to worry about. Indoors, outdoors, absolutely anywhere. And let me bring in our fabulous guest, Mr. Chad Allen. Okay, these, first of all, they're beautiful, and they're like 9.8 inches high.
Yeah, a little over 8 inches high.
A little over, are they?
And about 3 inches in diameter.
You're right.
And they're rechargeable, so you're not buying any batteries. We give you the cords to charge them back up.
Amazing.
You don't need an outlet. You don't need an extension cord. Anywhere you want, outdoors or indoors, like literally anywhere you want. And portable. You can take it with you to the cabin, to the Airbnb, on vacation, camping, you name it.
Oh, that's great during emergency situations too, right?
Emergency preparedness kit.
Yep.
This is the silver.
Hurricanes.
By the way, you're getting 2. Okay, so here's how it works though. The light shines down, not gonna blind you in your eyeballs, okay? And when you get it home, you're gonna notice they're made out of iron. And you're just gonna flip that switch underneath 1 time. And so when I flip that switch 1 time, that's it. And now when I hit the top, look, there it comes on yellow. Yellow is great because bugs can't see the color yellow. Wow. Bugs will not be attracted to that color. And then you go into a daylight. And then you go into a regular, very nice, warm light, okay? Now, if that's too much light, because it is sort of bright, you just touch or hold anywhere on the top, and it dims down. It's a touch lamp. Yeah. And then I just let my finger up, and I just touch it again. I could touch the side, I could touch the top. Anywhere I want to touch it on the top,
wow,
it will work to activate it.
Crazy.
And by the way, no buttons at the top. You see how the light catches it?
Streamlined, beautiful.
The design never leaves it. This is actually, there wasn't enough room in the graphics. This is Bell & Howell by design. Yes. What we did was we started a new division at Bell & Howell with interior designers. And so they live in Chelsea in New York City.
Yeah.
The borough of Chelsea.
Of course,
and so we have a Chelsea coming out. We're gonna have a Lexington, a Madison.
Oh, how neat is that?
And so we're playing with some New York themes. And all you do is you just sort of touch the tops and you're able to play with your lights. Yellow is great for dining. The other 2 are great for any time of day. I actually have a white in my shower. I have a black on my kitchen counter.
They must be water resistant.
Water resistant.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah, meant to be outside. What you're looking at right now is this coffee table behind us. We'll walk back here because I want to point out a couple of things. As my minor was interior design. I don't have a major in interior design, so I only took a few classes to say the least, but I want you to play with height, okay? So if I put 2 right here, that's great. Right. You could stack a couple of coasters together. You could turn a glass upside down if you want. You could use a wine glass upside down, and then all you're doing is creating those dimensions, those different heights, and that's how you create a tablescape. I also want to challenge you, if you can swing it, pick up 2 sets. Because look at the statement you can do with 4 lamps. Now, if they were all the same color, that'd be different. I'm gonna challenge you again.
Yes.
What if you change your mood and you decide, you know what, I'm having a really elegant night. I'm having a very upscale evening.
Perfect.
My friends that are pretty...
And the little button right underneath as you're showing, which is easy.
Yeah, my snooty friends are coming over. I have a few of those. They know who they are. and I would put the black out, right? Because it's very upscale and elegant and classy, right? If you have a home with black hardware finishes on your drawers or your cabinets or your staircase where it has the railings, if it's black, pick up that black. You can't go wrong with it. The black and the white are, and every time I touch them, they're gonna, go on and off.
Right.
They're both matte. Your silver is gonna be more of a metallic.
I think the silver looks like stainless.
Correct.
I mean, it is absolutely stunning. And here's the thing. These have been on fire since we launched these at midnight. As I mentioned earlier, we already sold out the gold. You can choose either the silver, the black, or the white. Right now, the next one that's going to probably go is probably going to be maybe the silver or the white. So the white is the next most limited in quantity. But just to give you an idea, every airing of these, every time these have been on the air, another 3,000 of these have flown out of here. And I think we only have like a little over 3,000 left in that white. The bottom line is, first of all, they look stunning. They're so chic. They're actually a little over 8 inches, 8.45 inches in height. You don't have to worry about wiring or batteries. And then that you have all 3 of the different lights, and that you can, with the touch of your finger, like adjust the light, right? You can make it a little brighter. You can make it a little less bright. I mean, I love that.
That's a good shot right there.
Is it in there? I couldn't tell if it was in the mod. I couldn't see.
The studio is quite large. I'm going to tilt it towards the camera a little bit just so you can get an idea. I'll just touch it up here so you can see my finger at the same time. If I hold it, it will automatically dim down. And so all I'm doing is holding my finger there. It goes super dim, but at the same time, it's plenty of light, by the way, still. And if I hold my finger there, it gets super bright.
Amazing.
I could have stopped anywhere along that path. It wasn't just high or low. You have complete control to stop it wherever you want. There's the white, the warmer white light, and here's the daylight. See the difference?
Yeah.
Not too different, but will make a difference in those romantic settings.
Yes, I love it. Okay, we have hundreds and hundreds of people calling. I was just saying, Chad, that we bought like a bedroom set, and the nightstands have like a lip over the top, so you can't put a big lamp. And I went, holy cow! And I've been like trying to figure out what to do. These are absolutely perfect.
And if we were out here right now and we didn't have these, what would be our options? We'd have to run an extension cord and have a regular lamp or something.
Exactly.
We'd have to have a battery operated one where we're buying batteries, or the more dangerous option, which is not too dangerous, but a candle. And then the candle has to burn out, right? And you have to keep buying that. How much would you pay for just a candle? Like, how much do candles cost? Really, that's sort of the difference here.
Exactly.
This is something you're going to have for quite a long time.
I can't stand it.
It's not a mystery metal. It's iron, okay? It's made out of iron. It's meant to be outside. And if something's meant to be outside, it's much more durable than anything that's just meant to be indoors, because this can withstand the elements.
Wow.
You're seeing on your screen many indoor examples, of course. Now, that gold is gone. I don't want to mislead anybody here. That gold is...
gold is sold out.
Has disappeared already for the day.
And I have a feeling, I know the white, but I'm telling you, that silver, when you guys get it home, because when I walked to the studio, I have to admit, I like immediately went to that because it looks so expensive. It looks like stainless. And then we were talking about this. These are the deluxe.
Yes.
So the regular Chelsea, you go to the Bell & Howell website, it's $30 for one.
Correct.
So we're giving them 2 of them today for $24.99.
The regular version is the only thing we had. In HSN...
And what's the difference, can I ask?
So we rubberized this one with the ports. We made it more durable.
Nice.
We extended the underneath panel so nothing can get to the LED lights. We really upgraded this, but we did not raise the price. In fact, we lowered the price.
Lowered it. Holy
When
cow.
HSN came to us and said we want the Chelsea, I spoke up. I have a very loud voice.
We love that about you, Chad.
I spoke up and I said, you know what? I sell a lot of lawn and garden at HSN. And I said, and our customers like to be outside at HSN.
Yep.
We need to make sure we have the third-party independent lab testing that it's water resistant, that it can be in the rain. And Bell & Howell said, oh, that's expensive.
Thanks,
They said,
Chad.
that's a lot. We got to buy the testing. I said, yes, please. And it's not my money, so I said, please do it. And,
Yeah, exactly.
The owner of Bell & Howell, I mean, they are so kind to us at HSN, and they really give us what we want. Oh, as we lower the lights, can I point out something with this? The light is a down light. You see how my hands are lit? If I'm doing my manicure or crafting or needle pointing or anything, you'll get the light where you need it. I can still see Bobby though. The light is not shining in my eyeballs. It's not a lamp that's going to shine in your face to where you actually can't see. I'm illuminating what should be seen rather than, at night when there's a light shining on you.
Yes,
And then you're like, I can't even see my partner.
Yes,
We're trying to
I know exactly what you're saying.
This, because it's all metal on the top, the light doesn't shine up at you. It shines where you want to see something.
Right. Okay, let me just take a moment to say, first of all, thank you. We've only been on the air a couple of minutes. Almost 300 people made their first purchase to HSN. We are so glad you did. Let me talk about that for a second, because honestly, you want to come into our family. Number one, this is the best month. It is our birthday month. It is July. And you are looking at, honestly, definitely one of the most popular of the today's specials, and we have 4 today. This is absolutely screaming. The fact that you're getting 2, the fact that you have an opportunity to put them anywhere, the fact that they look amazing, indoors, outdoors, 3 different lights, and you can adjust the light of each, the brightness of each one of these lights. Absolutely stunning. I mean, here it is in that black. So it's a 2-pack of the black. My favorite, without a doubt. I'm obsessed with this. And because of the height, they're 8.42 inches when I looked at it. You could even put them like on a bookcase, right? I mean, you can kind of slide these into those little areas where you just want even a little bit of ambiance lighting, right?
I went around the studios here at HSN and I put them in lots of nooks and crannies and shelving.
Oh, good.
I posted a video, on my, you can see on TV Chad, television, like TV Chad on my Instagram, you can see the video. I gave a lot of inspiration. And I did that for a reason, because although there was, and I want to show this big dining table.
Oh, yes, come to the
I
dining
wanted to show
room.
you a lot of different examples,
Look at
because
this.
as durable and as strong as it is, you can absolutely have it in the most delicate of places, like your shower, like your cabinetry.
Yeah,
like,
that's great.
Maybe you have open bookshelves. It just looks gorgeous.
That'd be beautiful in bookshelves too.
If you just want to have it on the nightstand, so when you can just hit it, and you're not sure where the button's at, or the pull tab, or however your lamp currently works, this is easy. You can just do that.
Look so easy it is.
Now that's a 2-pack of the white.
That's a 2-pack white. By the way, I just want to mention the clock is up on the screen. I think we have, we have well over, will be 1,000 people calling in a heartbeat here. Do not buy 1 set, and that's another thing. You're not getting 1. You're getting 2. $5, my friends, on any credit card, debit, pay card to get this home. There's no interest whatsoever on all of our flex pay. We're shipping them to you for free. Okay, in this day and age, we all want to spend our money wisely, and I just really realized this in finally redoing these rooms. These are the pieces that make the difference in the warmth of a room. Whether it's, or warmth of an area, I should say, right? These are the little items. And let me just tell you, from somebody who spent a lot of time online buying accessory pieces, $300 for a lamp the other day. I mean, you spend a ton of money for accent pieces, but they are the most important parts of a room or of an area. So to buy these, you're buying them for like $12 each.
Now I know most of our customers and myself have seen your closet.
Oh, yes.
There's a promotional video that runs for your Friday night show, right? You're in your closet, which is gorgeous, by the way. I just thought of it because Amy Morrison told me she's picking up the white because she has a white closet.
Oh, and I have the silver, you're right.
But think about it, like you have, I'm sure you do, I haven't been in Bobby's closet, but I'm sure you do. A little drawer for jewelry, right? You have knickknacks and things in like a drawer. You need better lighting to see which jewelry it is, right? Which turquoise, which stainless steel, whatever. You could put this lamp right on a shelf where you have all your delicate pieces, your necklaces, your rings and things, where you have direct light where you need it. Where you have your belts or your purses, they can stack on the different shelves. It is absolutely gorgeous when you start to decorate with it. It's Valerie called it the potato chip effect, right? You start to have 1 potato chip and you want more, you want the whole bag. And I'm going to challenge you again. You can, 1 looks great. You can put 1 wherever you want to, it's fine. But when you style them together and you add a little height, I'm telling you, it looks like a designer came in and did it. I agree.
And holy cow, I know there's only a little over a minute remaining. I wish we had more time, because I tell you what, these are one of the reasons why you're like, this is why I love HSN, why I shop at HSN. We are about to hit 17,000 spoken for with only a little over a minute, and your retail, again, close to $60. These are the deluxe now, and up here you can see all the colors. There's my silver.
I love the silver.
I'm telling you, right? During the break, they're going in my cart. I mean, and we're giving you a little extra time because we just saw well over 600 people that are shopping, calling. We're shipping them to you for free. So that's another $5 and change saved. And by the way, you can gift them because they're individually boxed.
Correct. And each one has a cable inside that box, which is a USB-C cable that you can use for anything. Cables cost you money at the same time, right?
What do you pay for a USB-C cable?
I don't know
anymore.
anymore.
I think you're basically for 2, so you're getting 2.
Yes.
You're probably not even paying for the lamps.
And if you do pick up multiple sets, I just want to point out they're color coded. So you see the silver box and the black box.
Oh, nice.
So you don't have to open the boxes to see which colors you got.
Oh, good
It's
point.
on the outside of the box, which is just one of those small details. We could have skipped it, but not me, not Bell and Howell.
Not you.
No.
This is why we love that you are the Bell and Howell pit bull.
Well, I'm not going to fail. That's for sure. I want to make sure we love it. We love it we buy multiples.
And look, we love Bell and Howell here. I talked at the very beginning, I said it's 117 years, so they know what they're doing. And the creativity of this, but I'm in awe of the fact that when you look at these, particularly the silver, I guess maybe because I'm just gravitating to that silver, it so looks like stainless. They look so expensive. No one in a million years would get these home and think, oh, these are only $12 each, particularly with the different lights and
they're
adjustable.
iron. Like
And they're iron.
Literally
They're not plastic.
They're not a mystery metal. They're not plastic. I mean, the thing
Holy
is,
cow.
we're giving these to you. This is the launch, okay? And what I'll do here is we'll make a generation 2, maybe if they invite me back for 2025.
I think there's a chance of that.
That's it for this year, okay? Okay, so I want you to get into this style of lamp.
Yes.
Because over the next, hopefully, multiple years, I'll bring you other styles and new generations. But I know when you're just getting into a new type of item, we need to make that entry easy for you as a customer.
Yes.
And that's what Bell & Howell is really good at, because we made 1 million of them, and so the price came way down, and that makes it easier for you to make the decision. But I know when you get it home, because I've been living with mine.
Yes,
I'm like, how many more samples can I have? How many more can I get for my own home?
Oh my God, how many are left in the white? Because I know the white is definitely the most limited. Okay, 3,000, that's it. And when you're looking at 17,000, and I love when that counter's up there and flying like that. It's just so exciting. I mean, these are screaming. And we now have 350 people who made their first purchase to HSN. I love that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're so happy. We're great to have you with us. This is a perfect day on the 4th of July and the perfect value, because this is something, you know, every Today Special isn't for everyone, but I think everyone could use these somewhere.
Every single person, but those 350 who just joined us, get that HSN card.
Yes.
This would be free.
Oh my gosh, you're right. Thank you, Chad. I needed you here today because we bumped up the HSN card. Normally we give you $10. We're giving you $40 that you could spend on anything. So maybe you want to pick up, like we said, you basically don't want to really just pick up one set. Maybe you want to pick up a couple of sets of these. This is the time to do it. And you can find out more about the card, go to our web or call that number that was on your screen. But amazing value and beautiful, because what makes a value? What makes a value to me is not just a great price, but it has to have quality, it has to have versatility, and these have it all. I mean, right, they look great, they look expensive, they work, they have, you're not spending money on wiring, batteries, anything.
We went down the checklist and we made sure every single box was checked, and I'm not exaggerating. We're basically giving this to you today because I want you to have these, and I want you to buy more than one set, because at the end of the day, it's that potato chip effect. So when you get them, you're gonna fall in love. I know, you're gonna call your friends, you're gonna call your girlfriend. Yes, and everyone's gonna be so jealous of you and what you have. But even if you're eating outside, they're meant to be outside, but of course you can decorate inside also.
Absolutely, absolutely. Now 700 people are calling, so let me explain to you. When we move off an item, please do not hang up. Have that item number 871587. We will make sure to continue to take your order, but with fewer than 3,000 left of the white, the silver, and if you can use your smartphone, open up the camera, hover it over the QR code, it will take you right to .com or shop with the HSN app. That way you know you're not going to miss them, and don't buy one. You want to buy as many sets as you can.
You know what, if you don't use them, that's okay, send them back or something, because you won't have a chance later.
Oh, exactly. And like you said, everybody's telling you, can we get more, can we get more? No more, no more, no more, no more.
I wish I had more now.
I know, now you definitely wish you did. Thank you, Chad. Okay, by the way, guys, as we've been talking about, it is our fabulous birthday, our 47th birthday here at HSN, and this is a chance for you to be able to win big. Imagine, all you need to do, you go to our web, you shop now, you'll be entered, you can search win your bag at hsn.com to enter without a purchase as well, and you can win your bag with, guess what, $200 in spendable cash. Yow. Okay, do not go anywhere. We're taking a quick break and we're coming right back with Concierge Collection, Apple